In this video, I'm going to continue with question number 6, C, problems 2.3 from Elementary Number Theory by D.M. Borton. In question number C, we have A is odd, then we have to verify that 32 divides A square plus 3 into A square plus 7. If A is odd, then A is of the form twice m plus 1, where m is an integer. Okay, now what do we do? A square plus 3, A square plus 7, we can write it as twice m plus 1 whole thing square plus 3 twice m plus 1 whole thing square plus 7. Okay, and here we have 4m square plus 4m plus 4m square plus 4m plus 8. Okay, alright, now we multiply. We have 16m to the power 4 plus 16m cube plus 32m square plus 16m cube plus 16m square plus 32m plus 16m square plus 16m plus 32. Then here we have 16m to the power 4 plus 32m cube plus 64m square plus 48m plus 32. Okay, among these, this one, this and this are divisible by 32. We don't know about these two. We have to check, okay, for two cases, when m is even and when m is odd. Let's do that. First, when m is even. When m is even, we can write m as a multiple of 2. Q is an integer. Okay, then we check that this is divisible by 32. Here we can write m as 2q to the power 4. From here we have 2 to the power 4 into q to the power 4. And next we can write 2 to the power 4 as 2 into 2 to the power 3 into q to the power 4. From here we have 32, 2 cube into q to the power 4. Now see, this is a multiple of 32. So this is divisible by 32 when m is even. Okay, and next for 48m. 48 into 2q. We have 96q, and here we can write this as 32 into 3q. So this is also a multiple of 32. So it is divisible by 32. So when m is even, all these terms here are divisible by 32. Next we check when m is odd. Okay, when m is odd, m is written as 2q plus 1. Q is an integer. Okay, then C, a square plus 3 into a square plus 7, which is equal to 16 m to the power 4 plus 32m cube plus 64m square plus 48m plus 32 is equal to, in place of m we write 2q plus 1 to the power 4. Okay, and here we leave as it is, since they are divisible by 32. And for here we replace by 2q plus 1 because we don't know whether when m is odd whether this is divisible by 32 or not. Here this one remains as it is. Okay, so next, here we have 2q plus 1 whole thing square into 2q plus 1 whole thing square m square plus 48 2 cube plus 1 plus 32. Okay, now see here, when you multiply this one and this, you will get 16 q to the power 4 plus 32 q cube plus 24 q square plus 8q, and then the plus 1. Okay, and then the plus 32 m cube plus 64 m square plus 48 into 2q plus 48 plus 32. Okay, from here, and then what do you have? See, from here 16 into 1 you get 16. Okay, and then here you have 16 q to the power 4 plus 32 q cube plus 24 q square plus 8q. Okay, and then you are left with 32 m cube plus 64 m square plus 96q plus 48. With 32 we have 80. Okay, and 80 with the 16 that you get from here, you get 96. Okay, and then see what you can write here. This is equal to 16. From here you can take common 2, then inside you are left with 8 q to the power 4 plus 16 q cube plus 12 q square, k plus 4 q plus 32 m cube plus 64 m square 96 q plus 96. Okay, from here you have 32. Now see, this is a multiple of 32, that means it is divisible by 32. This is also divisible by 32, divisible by 32, divisible by 32, divisible by 32. So when m is odd, what happened? All the terms are divisible by 32. So what we conclude? Now we conclude that 32 divides a square plus 3 into a square plus 7. Okay.